Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration for March, and this one's called Watercolor Bouquet. We have so many tools and stamps and inks for you to create your own watercolor bouquets. The watercolor bouquet stamp set is 6 by 8 and it features these solid images in these flowers, leaves, and all sorts of configurations that you can put together with different colors. It even has small branches and clusters, and at the bottom is some ink splatter. We've curated a pack of 6 Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated inks, and these are Zest, Marine, Violet, Rose, Rhubarb, and Field. And these are perfect for inking up your smaller stamps. And you can also mix 2 colors together, say the rhubarb and the zest, to get an orange, and mix other colors together to get different varieties. In your kit, you'll receive a half sheet of the Simon Says Stamp acetate, which is super clear, and also some watercolor cardstock. And I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do with this acetate as a palette. You can do some watercoloring by using the detail water brush that's in your kit. So once you fill that barrel with water, you can press the sides until it releases some of the water into that brush. So what I like to do is to open up my cube, and I do like the small size so I can work just with all my colors on one palette. And I just tap that onto the acetate, and then I can pick up some of the ink by swirling that water around, and now I have a nice diluted watercolor. You can use this to color onto your stamps to use for stamping, or once they're stamped you can use that to color onto your paper. So it's a really nice fine watercolor, and it really spreads that ink out nicely. You'll also receive a fine mist spray bottle. To open the lid, press your thumb on each the top and the bottom of the spray applicator. Then you can fill the barrel with water and then press it until it clicks in place. With my ink still on my acetate, I'm going to give this a couple spritzes of water, and then I can turn my acetate over and press the ink right into my watercolor paper. Once I lift this off, I have a really nice watercolor effect just using an ink cube and some water. Another great use for the spray bottle, you can ink your stamps up directly with your ink cubes. And once you have that well inked, you can spritz them with water and then do your stamping. If you'd like to do some blending on your stamps with a couple colors or even lighten up a tone, we're including the Tim Holtz Ranger Mini Distress Brush. So this has a really nice natural brush, and it's in this nice compact container. So you'd pick up your ink and you can brush it under your stamp for stamping, or you can add a secondary color and blend them together. To protect your bristles while putting your lid on, slide the canister up, and then you can place the lid on top until that clicks in place, and then push it together. You'll also receive a jar of the Simon Says Stamp Positively Perfect Silver Splatter Medium, and you can see how luminous that is just through the jar. I like to either shake mine or use our mini spatula, which is not included in the kit, and give it a really good stir before using. So either shake it or stir it. You could also use a paintbrush to stir. So you want to make sure that you have all of that luminous glitter that sits in the bottom and bring it up to the top. And you can use either a splatter brush or a regular paintbrush and just tap it right on to your project. I also like to use the box from my card kit as protection for my work surface. You can allow your splatter to heat dry or quicken the drying by using the low setting of your heat tool. Okay, moving on to the rest of the kit, we are also including a full sheet of the Simon Says Stamp foam squares, and these are the smaller squares with that nice dimension. You'll also receive 5 of these little doilies. They measure about 3 inches. You can do some ink blending or even use them as a wrap around a flower bouquet. And also to go with those, you'll receive 1 yard of some natural twine from May Arts. This is that nice fine twine, and they tie perfect little bows. We also have one sheet each of the basic XL easy strips. So we have the white on black and then the black on white. These are a larger font than we usually do, and they're perfect for those single line messages for your cards. We're also including some tags for you. We have 2 of the number 8 size and then 3 of the number 5 size, and these are perfect to use with your inks for watercoloring. You'll also receive 2 note cards from Simon Says Stamp Heavy Cardstock. The first one is in fog and the second one is white. These are pre-scored and super easy just to crease along with your finger, or you can use your bone folder to get a nice crisp edge. We also have some envelopes for you. First is the mini slimline white, and this is perfect for that number 8 tag, so you can stamp your tag and also your envelope to send off as a gift to a friend. And then we also have 3 A2 envelopes for you. First one is the metallic green leaf with that gorgeous shimmer, and that has that no lick 'em to stick 'em adhesive in the inside. We also have metallic dull pink, again with that same adhesive strip, and then finally a dandelion A2 envelope. And finally, 2 of the Tim Holtz Distress watercolor cardstocks with a smooth and textured backside. We have some add-ons you might be interested in purchasing separately. So we have the Watercolor Bouquet dies, and that includes all of the images with no tab dies. We also have the basic brushstroke 4x6 stamp set as an add-on. These are great single words that you can build together to create some phrases. There is also a coordinating die set that has all of those messages with no tabs. And to complete our add-ons, we have some brand new XL Easy Strip dies. These come in different edges, so we have the slanted, the straight rectangles, also rounded, and finally the banner cuts. And remember, those cut everything in one swoop, so it is one die for your entire XL Easy Sentiment strips. That is so much fun for this card kit for March, and up next I have some cards from our designers. I'll start off with a card I made. I ink blended a background, and then I used the stamps just with water to pull up some of the ink for a ghosting effect, and then I stamped a few more flowers on top and added my banner cut greeting. Kathy Zelsky used the inks along with the acetate to do a smooshing background and then stamped her flower and message in black on top. Joe Sisevith stamped his entire background using the inks, and then he filled in with the water brush, making a really soft tone loose watercoloring, and added black pen and his message on top. Tina Smith's card features those flowers in a swag portion going across from top to bottom, her message, and also a small tag. And finally, Nina Trapani stamped one of her tags using all the flowers and colors of her ink cubes. With all those amazing add-ons, it's a perfect time to take advantage of our free or discounted shipping opportunity. Valued subscribers have a chance each month to receive free U.S. shipping on a card kit subscription purchase. Simply log into your account, click Manage Subscription, and add additional products to your subscription shipment so that the total is $100 or more before 11 p.m. Eastern Time on the 15th of each month. Existing international subscribers will receive $7.99 off their shipping with no code required. Be sure to check the description box below for links on how to subscribe, purchase this kit, and those add-ons. And also there's a link to our blog post for additional inspiration. And finally, you won't want to miss Heidi going live on Monday at 12 o'clock noon Eastern Time for her secrets revealed on the March 2026 card kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.